Okay, so I want to show you what I did for this video, which is this one here. It's Google AdWords Training. And actually, let me go to YouTube. Okay. All right, so the first thing I want you guys to look at is the title tag. It's very similar to what I showed you guys before. The title tag is the most important element that you need to do keyword research for. So what I'm trying to rank this video for is Google AdWords Training West Palm Beach. Okay, so that's the title tag that I am using. I also went ahead and used a service called rev.com. So rev.com will go ahead and transcribe your YouTube videos or any audio that you may have. So that's what I did here. So one, I did the subtitles. So when you go and look at this video, you'll notice that it automatically
Good morning, everybody. I just wanted to go over Google AdWords 101 one more time. For those that you guys that couldn't make it yesterday, no worries, I completely understand. There was a boat show.
Okay, so once again, you want to do the subtitles. You want to do the title tag, which is right here. And then I used the file, the text file, which is right here. And all I did was I also put it here in the description. Okay, one more thing that I want to do is I want to, I'm not going to do that right now, but I'm going to add a thumbnail. And then I want to add tags related to my keywords. So for example, I have Google AdWords Training here. I have the Hub Palm Beach. I have West Palm Beach, Clematis Street. And then there's a tool that I have, which is called Tag Tools. And you can use this tool. So let's put Google AdWords Training. So it tells you the search volume, the competition, the optimization strength. I don't have the paid version of this tool, but it's going to give me related words. It's going to give me related videos. And right now it's pulling up the most used tags. So let's give that a second, please. So as you can see, here are the other tags. Let's go ahead and save that. Okay, and I want to show you how quickly that this video actually ranks. So I'm going to put in there Google AdWords Training, West Palm Beach. And take a look. This is an ad. This is an ad. Okay, so this is the first organic result. This is the second organic result. This is our third organic result. And now we're ranked number 4 above the digitalelevator.com, even Eventbrite. So we beat out Eventbrite, OMI, or whatever that is. So let's actually look at it incognito. Incognito meaning that it doesn't look at our past history or we clicked on it. So we're 1, 2, 3, 4. So right away that one ranked number 4 immediately, and as you can see, it has this big video here. So more likely people are going to click this here than they will these, except these that have the site links, just because it has this big video here, this big image of the video. So that's how you rank videos very quickly. So I'm going to be showing you this guy in our session tomorrow, which is YouTube SEO, and that's at 2 p.m. I look forward to seeing you guys there.